congratulations. To congratulate Chantel Lim, bronze medalist in badminton. Chantel.
Oh, yes.
Lawit, picturean mo. Picture.
Smile.
Ayusin mo ha.
Yan, okay na.
And Chantel, the box. That is the box. Congratulations for bringing the bacon home. Well, she said last time, Mom, I'm going to bring the bacon home. I felt that she didn't only bring the bacon home, she brought the ham, the sandwiches, the turkey, and everything. Because the name that she has given to the school, no? Others may say, oh, yun lang. No, it's not yun lang. Because it's a big thing to our school, no? Congratulations to the champion, elementary level. And she's moving to the division level, representing Mariprisa, representing our school, Shanine Tepaso. Shanine becomes the pioneer, no? Because starting this year, anybody who becomes a champion representing the school, we are giving as an incentive 50% discount in the tuition fee. So Shanine is getting that. Shanine is getting that next year on top of the less 13,000 ESC voucher, on top of the less 5% loyalty incentive. So, that is a motivation to all, no? Galingan not only in academics, galingan din sa